In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Monday.com with a full guide. Whether you're new to Monday.com or a seasoned user, things might not always go as planned, and that's okay. Sometimes we may rename something incorrectly, move a column we didn't intend to, or change a status accidentally. Knowing how to undo these actions can save you both time and stress. Let's start by exploring the fastest way to undo an action using keyboard shortcuts. If you're using a Windows computer, simply press Ctrl+Z immediately after an action you want to reverse. For Mac users, it's CMD+Z. These shortcuts work for a variety of recent actions such as renaming items, moving columns, or changing statuses. The key here is to act quickly and use these shortcuts as soon as you realize a mistake has been made. Now, let's move on to using the activity log, which is another excellent way to manage and undo past actions. To access this feature, simply click on the three-dot menu, also known as the More Options icon, on any item or board. From there, select Activity Log or Item History. Here, you can see a detailed view of recent changes, including who made them and when. If you need to revert an action, you can manually edit the item or column to its previous state. This feature is particularly useful for tracking down changes that happened a while ago or that involve multiple people on your team. Next up, let's talk about restoring deleted items. We've all accidentally deleted things we didn't mean to. Fortunately, Monday.com provides a safety net for this. Simply go to the trash from the left sidebar. Here you can find the deleted item, group, or board that you want to recover. Once you've located it, just click Restore to bring it back to your workspace. This feature is especially helpful when the usual undo shortcuts aren't an option for changes made some time ago. Before we wrap up, here are a few best practices to keep you on top of your game. First, if you make a mistake, try using the undo shortcut Ctrl or CMD+Z immediately. Secondly, take advantage of the activity log to regularly check the detailed list of changes on items or boards. This will help you stay on top of all modifications and manage them effectively. Lastly, remember that if you've deleted something by accident, you can always head over to the trash to restore it. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to undoing actions in Monday.com. Thank you for joining me, and I hope these tips help you manage your tasks more efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful insights and let us know in the comments if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next. Until next time.